Yo, since Bob and Hazel are out of town, wanna go on a trip?
To where?
Yachouz.
I guess I'll go.
Yay, okay. Meet me at my private jet.
Oh my gosh!
Dude, I forgot you were rich.
Bro, why are you sitting like that?
I keep falling out of my seat.
I told you to put a seatbelt on. Okay, we are here. Let's go to the hotel and get dressed. We are here.
Yo, this place is a dump.
Look, I rented it out. For a few nights, be grateful. What are you wearing?
What, is there something wrong?
Yes, bro, you don't need that.
I do.
Take it off.
Bro, why did you take
Guys, and let's go.
Okay. Bro, we're going to change. Be right back.
Okay. We are almost there.
Where are we going?
You will see. Come on, just a bit further.
Oh.
Is this it?
Yeah, it's a statue of the first president of Meltopia. Fun fact. The first capital of Meltopia.
Of course, you would know that.
Well, it's important to me because of my dad.
Wait, who is your dad?
I would rather not talk about it.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
I'll go check on him.
Oh, you're back soon. Who are you?
Boss,
What do you want?
we found someone he is connected to.
Deal with it.
Where am I? Who are you, and where am I?
Where is Cornelius?
I don't know.
Last chance.
I don't know.
Look, I'm feeling generous. How about we play a game? A simple game of Russian roulette. I win, you die, you win, you get out. You will start us off. Now my assistant will do my turn. Lucky. Now the odds are 1, 2, 3.
I won. Wait, I wasn't tied up this whole time.
IT was rigged, you should have died. I'm ending this now. Ready to die.
But wait, where is Melvin?
He's at the hotel. Look, we never speak of this, okay?
Okay.
I'm surprised you guys wanted to leave that quick.